Hey guys, hope you're all well. My name's Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency. Today I just want to take you through this SEO content writer agent I've built, designed to help you write blog posts that rank in Google essentially and hopefully bring more customers into your business. So, how this works is essentially we've got two workers, one that is searching for keywords related to whatever topic you give it. It's specifically searching for keywords with low competition and relatively high search volume. And then the second worker is receiving those keywords and writing an article that includes those keywords. And so, hopefully with volume, you can start to rank on Google. So let me take you through how it all works. So it begins with, we've got the supervisor here. It's running Chat OpenAI. We're running GPT-4o, the latest GPT-4o. We'll stick to that for now. With the temperature 0.8, it needs to be creative in order to write good articles, essentially. As you can see, both these workers are connected to a SerpAPI. So in some of my other videos, I've used serpa.dev, which is a kind of weaker version of SerpAPI. You need to create an account with serpapi.com here and get your API key. I won't click on that because I don't want other people to have my API key. The only thing to take into account is the free version only allows you to make 100 searches a month. Anything more than that is, I think, $75 a month, which obviously isn't cheap, but may or may not be worth it depending on your situation. So both the content writer and the keyword researcher are running SerpAPI. The keyword researcher prompt, very basic. You are a keyword researcher. You see SerpAPI to find related keywords to a topic with high search volume and relatively low competition to improve the possibility of ranking with Google. And the SEO content writer. You're an SEO content writer skilled in creating high quality SEO optimized articles. Your job is to take keywords from the keyword researcher and include them in engaging, informative articles that are interesting to read and SEO optimized. I will paste both of those prompts into the comments so you can just copy and paste them. Let's give it a go. So if we pick a random topic, let's go with sequential AI. Click enter. So the supervisor is going to the keyword researcher. So the keyword researcher is first coming up with an essential definition of sequential AI and how it processes and analyzes data. Then it is actually coming up with keyword suggestions that it thinks are... It's come up with 10 that it believes have a good possibility of ranking by having a high search volume and low competition. It then passes those keywords to the supervisor, and it includes all of those in a blog post that you can see here. So we now have a blog post that's SEO optimized, designed to potentially rank on Google. So hopefully that is helpful. Thanks very much for watching the video.